So I have here our love function, but the problem is that this function will print I love JavaScript all the time. So it will do exactly the same all the time. Okay, so how I said, if we will call it 3 times, it means it will do all the time I love JavaScript, I love JavaScript, I love JavaScript. Okay, maybe it's exactly what we want, right? But the point is there possibility that the function will do the same thing over and over again but slightly different? Yes, it is. So for example, I would like to create some greeting function. I will call it only greeting. Okay, so it will print something like hello David. Okay, so now we have again 2 parts. The first part is to create the function, and the second part is call it. So it means you use it like greeting, like this. Okay, I will use it 3 times. So I will run it, and we can see hello David 3 times. Perfect. But now I would like to change it. So I don't want to have a David here all the time. So at first, for example, I would like to call, okay, hello David. The second time I would like to call like hello Jane. After that, hello Harry, and so on and so on. So it means this function but with different names. Is it possible? Yes, it is. We call it parameters. Okay, so this will be function with parameters. I will show you only one parameter for clarity, but after that we can put here more parameters if we want. So dev greeting, and I would put here, for example, I will call it first name. It's up to you, this name, but it's good if you know what does it mean. So I would like to use first name because it will be first name. Okay, so and here I would like to print hello, and I will use it f string, for example, but here will not be David, but here will be the variable or the parameter first name. Okay, and we just use f string to connect the text and the variable. Okay, so it means now if you call greeting, you said, okay, if I will call a greeting or use the greeting function, I will send you all the time first name. So it means here you need to write some first name, for example David. We have here, for example, Harry. We have here for example John. Okay, it's up to you. So now if I will run it, you will see hello David, hello Harry, hello John. Okay, so now what does it mean? It means if you call greeting, it takes this David, and the David is the first name. So it will print hello, and the first name is David. So hello David. If you have this line, greeting Harry, it means Harry, it becomes a first name. Okay, and again print hello, and first name is Harry, so hello Harry. And John is the same, John is the first name, so it will print hello, and first name is John, hello John. Okay, and this is very important because now we have a function, and this function greet, right? Or create some greet. So it means it will do all the same thing all the time, but the point is that it's slightly different, and it's thanks for parameter. Okay, and you can have more parameters here. I will show you in the next video, but now it's enough. So now we know that we have functions with parameters.